Want to get back those accidentally deleted Snapchat messages? In this video, I will walk you through all the methods you can try both on iPhone and Android. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you're here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down a bit. You will find the option of My Data. Tap on that. Over here, make sure that you have selected chat history. Then tap on next. Now you want to select your date range over here. Then tap on submit. As you can see, Snapchat is creating a copy of files which can take some time. Once that is completed, Snapchat will email you a zip file. Download it, unzip it, and check for any chat logs. The next thing you can do is check your cloud backups. If you have ever linked Snapchat to iCloud in your iPhone or Google Drive in Android, you want to open your backup app. You want to look for any recent Snapchat folders or chat backups. Restore any found files on your device to see if they include the missing messages. And lastly, you want to ask the person you were chatting with if they still have the conversation. You want to ask them for the screenshot or copy paste the message and send them back. Remember that Snapchat is designed to delete message quickly for privacy, so there's no foolproof way to guarantee recovery, but these steps give you your best shot. If you've tried any of these methods or have any other tips, drop them in the comments. If this guide helped you, tap like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tech tutorials.